Car starts leaking oil from both the engine and the transmission. Congratulations! First, we carefully separate the engine and transmission, because one wrong slip and suddenly we're shopping for a new floor. Transmission out nice and secure on the lift. Now it's time to attack the engine side. Remove those 8 bolts like we're defusing a bomb. And here it is, the mighty leaking seal. Goodbye, old friend. You've been dramatic enough. Now it's the transmission's turn. Out goes the converter, and boom. Another seal that's clearly seen better days. Pop it out, new one in, nice and clean, like nothing ever happened. Hey, while we're making this car happy again, why not make me happy too? Hit like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's free, and rumor has it, it improves my coffee taste. Back to business. Fitting the new engine seal. A few gentle taps with the hammer of justice, nothing too crazy. Then all bolts go back in. And we lift the transmission to reunite this couple like it's their honeymoon. And miracle of miracles. No leaks, no drama, just a happy ending and a clean floor. Another repair done right. Remember, cars might complain in oil, but we solve it with skill, patience, and a little bit of sarcasm. Another day, another happy engine and transmission.